Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch F1 on your F1 TV. So make sure to watch all the steps and after that you will be able to do it. So the first thing that is very important that you need a subscription to watch F1 live on your F1 TV. As you can see, like these are the subscriptions, $2.99 per month. Like this is the basic, and as you can read, like official live stream, new ultimate live immersion, and in essential live TM timing. Like these are all the features that are available in different subscriptions. Either you want to buy $9 per month, $5 or $3. And if you want to go for yearly, as you can see, like this is the $20 per year, 45 and $80 per annum. And you can also read all the features that are available in the like subscription. And once you just buy the subscription, you can just log in with your account. You can just continue with your Gmail and the password as well. Make sure to create an account, buy the subscription. And once you have created the account for the subscription, log in with your account. You are either on the web, mobile phone, or your TV. You will be able to watch the F1 on the F1 TV. So as you can see, like here are some different devices which are like, as you can see, we have to watch F1 live. So these are some devices which support F1. As you can see, the computer, tablets, mobile phone, and if let's say if you want to watch it on your TV, it is Roku TV, Apple TV, Google TV, or Fire TV. These are the screens that are supported by the F1. So make sure to download the F1 application, F1 TV, on your like any of the device, either computer, laptop, or the TV. And after that you will be able to watch F1 on your like on F1 TV app. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can watch it.